everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's an amazing day, but also it's an amazing time right now because I finally reached 100 subscribers. I'm so happy and excited that this has finally come, like it's finally happened. I said finally so many times, but I've reached 100 subscribers and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway because I want to celebrate and I want to celebrate with you guys. So there's a lot of fuzz right now. I want to do a giveaway because I'm so excited that I finally reached 100 subscribers. So I'm gonna give away 2 items. I don't know, I think I'm gonna do it to one person, but the items that I'm gonna be giving away is the Jaclyn Hill palette and the Sugar Glow kit from Anastasia. I'm gonna buy new ones. I'm gonna give you the ones I have. I just haven't made the purchase yet, but I'm gonna buy new palettes to give away to my subscribers. Say thank you for supporting me and sticking with me with, you know, I'm not uploading as often as I want, but you know, I just want to say thank you guys, you know, for the support. It's 100 subscribers. It's a big deal for me because I've been wanting to hit 100 subscribers for so long. I'm be giving away 2 items in this giveaway, which is this glow kit, which I rave about. Let me open it up for you. So this is my personal one, but again, I'm gonna buy brand new ones. But yeah, this glow kit, which is amazing, and I just love them. I could do a quick swatch for you guys. See, that's what they look like. I'm gonna do it like that. But yeah, so this is one of the items I'll be giving away. And the second item is the Jaclyn Hill palette, which I love this palette. The consistency, the colors, they are amazing. And I'm gonna order it from Ulta. So it's gonna be like in the new packaging and all that jazz. So yeah, I'm going to do a follow-up video to announce the winner for this giveaway. And how you enter this giveaway is you gotta like this video, you gotta subscribe to my channel, and you have to follow me on Instagram and make a comment down below. That's all you gotta do. It's very, very easy, very simple. I want to close this giveaway. The last day to enter, I want to say it's the 28th of this month, so I'm gonna do like almost a whole month. So that's a Wednesday. So that is, so I'm going to announce the winner on March 1st. So I'm going to have a brand new video that day to announce who won these amazing palettes and all that jazz. So again, when that video comes out, I'm going to have the new ones in my hands. Yeah, so it's pretty easy. Just follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. Yeah, it's very easy. And tell your friends about me so they can have a chance to enter. And again, this giveaway ends on February 28th, 11:59 Pacific time. Yeah, I'm so excited and good luck. Bye.